So let me show you step by step how to copy Google Drive folder to another account. After you open up your Google Drive like this on your browser, so you click on this My Drive. After you go to My Drive, so these are the folders. So now if I want to copy this folder to another account, so the first thing I should do, I'll right click on the folder and go to share again. So from this option, now you click on this where it says this option access. So by default the access will be like this, restricted. So you need to allow the access. I'll click on this and go to this anyone with this link. So after you give the access anyone with this link, then you click on this copy, and then from this option, after you click on this option view, so now you give it to editor. So after you give it to editor like this one, so now copy the link and save. So the next thing you should do now, you go now and share the link that you copy to the person that you want him to copy the folder, or you go and open the Gmail account that you want to add this folder to it. So let's say now I will just click on this, right click on this option. I'll use my incognito mode. So I'll paste in the link. I'll click and enter. After you press enter, so as you can see now whoever now open this link, now the link will be like this for you, for the person. So now if the person now wants to download all this file, the person can be able now to download this file by clicking on this download all button. So from there, anything inside the folder will be downloaded to the facing Google Drive. So as you can see now, if you want, you can just go ahead now and open the Gmail account you want to move the folder to it, and then you'll be able to see the Gmail account in this option. And after then, if you click on the download button, so the files will be downloaded into your Google Drive that you open. And that's it guys on how to move a folder or how to copy a folder to another account in Google Drive. Like and subscribe.